to StarrSoaps channel. How are you today? I'm doing good. Today I'm going to remake my Castile soap. That's right, 100% olive oil. Yum! This soap takes one whole year to cure, so come with me and I'll show you how to make it. Squee! First things first, I'm going to add my cooled lye water to my olive oil. And my lye water has no mulberry silk in it because it can't have anything else, otherwise it's not Castile soap. Very strict rules about Castile soap. And it's 100% pomace olive oil, which is a cheaper olive oil, and it comes from the last press of the olives, so it has nice big unsaponifiable molecules in the oil, big moisturizing molecules, so the final soap is just gonna love your skin. But like I say, I choose to do it cold process, and the best way for it to be a really good soap is if it cures for one whole year. Wow. So it sits up on the curing rack and it cures away for 12 months before it can be used, sold, etc. And it is a little bit of a pain and a long wait, but it's worth it. If you try to cut the cure time doing it this way, the method that I'm using, you end up with a slimy, snotty bar of soap that no one wants. Ugh, nobody wants snotty soap. So to get a lovely, creamy, rich lather, you gotta wait. You just gotta be patient. And you know, good things take time. So I'm just making a single batch of this because my last batch, which cured for a whole year, was only just wrapped and is only just going for sale now, so I've got a full stock of it right now. But I will say that it's going to probably take over my plain all natural. I used to do a plain all natural, which was my Bastille, a combination of different oils like olive and coconut and castor oil and things like that. But this one, because it's just pure olive oil, it's just the best for the vegans, for the people with really sensitive skin, the older folks and the wee babes. It's a really good soap for super sensitive people. So what I did is I let the soap get a bit thick. I actually stick blended it for a little bit longer than I normally would, and then I even waited for a bit so it got a bit thick in the jug before I went ahead and poured it into my mould, because I've been told by lots of other people that their Castile soap can take a long time to go hard enough to unmould and cut. That has not been my personal experience. I actually experienced the opposite, as you will see coming soon. So yeah, what I've done is I've saved a little bit extra back here, and I've put it into this little homemade mold that I did with a Buddha face, and my lovely husband Bryden made me a blank using the 3D printer that he can access at work sometimes, and I used my mold making substance to make this little mold. So I will leave a link below to that mold making substance. It is just a mix of glycerin and gelatin, and it can be remelted, and I already did a video on it, so I'll leave that below and you guys can go check it out if you want to, and a link to my first Castile video. So now I'm just wiggling around and playing. Really, I'm just being a silly little kid and playing, but also what I'm doing is helping it settle in the mold, and then I'm going to let it get extra hard and come back and texture the top. When I say extra hard, I don't mean set. As you can see, I just mean to the consistency that we wait for when we're going to pipe soap. So what I mean by that is it's forming stiff peaks. That's a cooking term, but it is also correct in the soap making. If you make sure that your soap has reached the thickness where it makes peaks that stay, stiff peaks, then you're ready to pipe it or texture the top or anything like that. And I don't usually texture the tops of my soaps, but because this one has no colour and no glitter and none of the other zhuzh that I usually put on my soap, I thought it would be nice to give it a really nice pretty textured top, and that's why I came and did this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wanna be all you can be, yeah. Set your body and your spirit free, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Wanna go to the places you don't to love yourself or you'll wind up so low. 'Cause you can have it all. Stand up and feel proud and feel so tall. Let nobody ever push you down to fall. 'Cause that's just the raw nature of it all. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now, what was I saying before about soap made with olive oil only that doesn't get hard enough to cut? I found the absolute opposite. Mine got rock hard in a very short record amount of time, and as you can see, I'm having quite a hard time cutting it. What I ended up with was this jigger-jagged look on every single bar because it was so tricky to cut through them because they got so rock solid. So it just goes to show everybody has different experiences. It could have been due to the weather. It could have been due to, gosh, the type of olive oil that I'm using. The fact that I'm using pomace, maybe. I don't know. But as you can see, I get a hard bar of soap. That doesn't seem to cut the cure time, though. I was sort of hoping last time, when my soap got really, really hard, that I'd only have to cure it for 6 months. But that wasn't the case. It had to cure for the full 12 months before it became beautiful, glorious soap and not snotty soap.
Be all you can be. Set your body and your spirit free. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Wanna go to the places you don't know, but you're gonna have to love yourself or you'll wind up so low. 'Cause you can have it all.
So here we have our final soap. I really love how this Buddha face came out. It makes me so happy. Smiley Buddha face. So zen. And I really had to go ahead and bevel them and give them a bit of extra attention as well because they have that jigger-jagger look. So this week I would really like to highlight a member of our group over on Facebook called Valerie Mosher and her chocolate soap. This soap was made with cocoa butter and cocoa powder and it's gorgeous, and I actually asked her to please come and share it with the group after I saw it posted in another group. So if you want your photo highlighted, come and join our group and feel the soapy love. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Stand up and feel proud and feel so tall. Let nobody ever push you down to fall. 'Cause that's just the raw nature of it all. Whoa, whoa,